which means that caffeine doesn't make you feel good. It's actually putting pressure on the thing that naturally slows you down. 3. Honeybees are really into coffee too. There's a bee buzz and a buzz of caffeine, but as it turns out, there's a link between them. Caffeine has been shown to attract honeybees, sort of like a drug, and to have a positive effect on their long-term memory. 4. Astronauts have a special cup so they can drink coffee in space. Most of us never think about cuteness, but if you don't have anything to keep your coffee in your cup, you probably should. Scientists at Portland State University are working on a special cup so astronauts don't have to drink their coffee from bags. But zero-gravity coffee mugs are cheap. They cost $500 to print in a 3D printer. 5. A real and effective caffeine nap. Want to get the most out of your afternoon nap? Then drink some coffee before bed. Researchers found that a cup of coffee followed by a 15-minute nap caused people to feel extra alert. 1. Your body does not need coffee first thing in the morning. Due to your body's natural clock, also known as a circadian clock, you naturally produce cortisol, a hormone associated with wakefulness, when you wake up. This means that if you add coffee to the mix, the caffeine actually does nothing for you. Want the best effects of caffeine? Wait until late in the morning, when cortisol levels are low. 2. It's not the caffeine you're actually craving. It is the effect of caffeine on adenosine. Have you ever thought about why coffee makes you feel the way you do? It's all about what is going on in your mind. As your brain is active, and neurons are active, these neurons are producing adenosine. Your nervous system monitors your adenosine levels, and when you start hitting high levels, your brain slows down, making you sleepy or at least slowing down what you're doing. But caffeine binds to your adenosine receptors, and when that happens, your brain can't detect your adenosine levels, so it just keeps running at full speed.